Hi everybody, it's Scott Smith in sunny Southern California doing another how-to video today. Today we wanted to show you the Comfort Access 2.0 and also the digital key. Hi Lauren.
Hi.
Let me jump in here. All right, Lauren's going to show you the settings and everything here in the iDrive settings, iDrive screen here first.
So I'm going to show you where to activate that feature. So I'm going to go to Car, Settings, and Doors and Access. So the Comfort Access now is basically designed to be used when the key is on you. You're not having to touch the door handle or anything. So it's going to unlock when approaching within about 3 to 4 feet of the door handles, and it's going to lock when walking away within about 9 to 10 feet within the radius of the car. So, and then the other thing, which I'm going to show you how to use in this video, is the digital key. So it's basically has an RFID technology here. So if it's not already activated, which it happens to be right now, actually it happens to be activated right now. If I want to activate it, I'm going to go to digital key card, and this wireless charging pad on some models, it's not a standard feature, that's where I'm going to lay it to activate the card, and also if I want to start the car later, which we're going to go over. Perfect.
Okay, I'm going to jump out right now. Lauren can show us how it works real time. Right now we're using a 2020 G20 M340i sedan. There you go. And Lauren's probably, what, about 9 or 10 feet away. Now she's going to walk towards the vehicle. There we go. It unlocked. Great. Works like a charm.
I'm just going to go over the Comfort Access for you because some of my clients do have trouble with knowing how to use that properly. So when you want to lock and unlock by doing the regular way with the door handle, I'm going to tap these lines on the door handle. That's going to lock it. And then I'm going to place my hand behind the handle to unlock it. Now you want to make sure that when you do that, you're not coming into contact with this, where you lock the door, because it won't work. Because I have people that just kind of grab the handle straight away and they get frustrated that it's not working. This has worked for me every time, and that's pretty much the proper way to do it. So place your hand behind the handle, it unlocks the door, and do that, that's going to lock it.
Perfect. Good to hear.
I've set it so that the mirrors fold in automatically when I lock the car, which is great. Now I'm going to get that digital key out for you and show you how to use that.
Perfect. Did you want me to remove the remote key now? So let's get this out of the way.
I'm going to give Scott the regular key there, so I'm showing you that it's not interfering with that. Now,
there we go.
I tend to do it, or when I show the customer. So I'm going to place this behind the door handle, which is going to unlock it. Now I'm going to go ahead and start up the car. So I'm going to place it inside this pad here. And again, the key is not near me, so that's great. If you don't want to, ladies, if you don't want to take it in a purse or something, this can fit right in your wallet or behind your cell phone, and then you just put it inside there, do what you got to do, and you don't have to have the key on you.
Perfect.
Now I'm going to show you how to lock the door, which for me is the same gesture. So I'm going to turn it this way, vertically towards me again, and put it behind the handle. It locks it.
Perfect. Great. Thanks, Lauren. So now, right now, currently, we do have the digital key on the G20, the 3 Series, 2019. And then we also have it on our X5, X7, and also our 8 Series. And I would imagine as new generations come out, this is going to become an available option or even standard. Cool. Thanks, Lauren, for helping today. Bye-bye.